Hi everyone, my name's Danielle. I am a nature interpreter with Royal Botanical Gardens. Today we're going to have fun making a delicious, tasty treat together. But first, have you ever wondered why salt is used to melt ice? Before I answer that, we need to look at how ice is formed. When water cools, it will transform from a liquid to a solid at 0 degrees Celsius. Ice is also less dense than a liquid form in water. And as the water freezes and turns into ice, it will expand and increase in volume, which is why ice can float on top of water. When salt is added to water, it breaks into 2 ions, sodium and chloride. These ions take up space and pushes apart the water molecules, making it more difficult for water molecules to attach together and form ice. As a result, it also lowers the freezing temperature. Now we get to do a fun, tasty experiment together, looking at how salt lowers the freezing temperature. We are going to be able to make ice cream in a bag. Here's what you will need. 1 cup half and half cream, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 cups of ice cubes, 1/3 cup of salt, 1 large resealable bag, and 1 small resealable bag. Here are the directions. In a small resealable bag, first mix your cream, sugar, and vanilla together. Remove any excess air and seal tight. Add the ice and the salt into a large resealable bag. Now place the small bag with the cream mixture into the large bag and seal tight. Shake or mix the bags together for about 5 to 10 minutes. Note that this is really cold. I suggest wearing gloves or mitts while doing this activity. After 5 to 10 minutes, open up the large bag, then carefully take out the small bag, open it up, grab a spoon, and voila, you have a delicious, tasty treat. As we have discovered, salt makes it more difficult for water to freeze by lowering the freezing temperature, which is why it is also added to our walkways and our roads. But unfortunately, when salt enters into the environment, like our wetlands, it can be harmful to many aquatic species of fish, amphibians, and insects. These species are not adapted to live in an environment with high concentrations of salt. For more information about using salt, check out our responsibly salting video that is posted on our RBG at Home website, as well as Royal Botanical Gardens YouTube channel. Enjoy your delicious ice cream, and until next time, take care.